Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about a handy way to give quick and natural answers in English. These are called short answers. They help you avoid repeating information when the meaning is already clear. Let's look at some examples. Situation 1. Asking about likes. Imagine your friend asks you, "Do you like pizza?" If you like pizza, you could say, "Yes, I like pizza." If you don't like pizza, you would say, "No, I don't like pizza." But the short answer is, instead of "Yes, I like pizza," you can simply say, "Yes, I do." The negative answer, instead of "No, I don't like pizza," you can say, "No, I don't." You can see the first word in the question is the actual short answer. Like the question starts with the first word do. Do you like pizza? And the short answer is all about this first word from the question. The short answer is yes, I do. No, I do not. So the first word in the question is the actual short answer. Let's take a look at the next situation. Asking about someone else. Now imagine your friend is asking about your brother. Does your brother like to read? Now keep in mind this first word does, because the short answer depends on this first word does. If your brother likes to read, you might say yes, he likes to read. If he does not like to read, you would say no, he does not like to read. But the short answers for the same. The positive answer is, instead of yes, he likes to read, you can say yes, he does. And in negative answer, instead of no, he does not like to read, you can say no, he doesn't. Again, in this situation, the first word from the question is the main short answer, does. The next situation is using is, am, are. Your friend says, "Are you tired?" And the complete answer is yes, I am tired. Or the negative answer is no, I am not tired. But the short answer is, the positive answer is yes, I am. And the short negative answer is no, I am not. Again, in this situation, the question starts with the word are, and this are is the main short answer. Yes, I am. With I, we always use am. That's why this are turns into am. Are, the first word from the question, is somehow the main answer word. In this case, the are is replaced with am. Next situation, question. Have they finished their homework? The complete answer is yes, they have finished their homework. Or the negative answer is no, they have not finished their homework. The short answer is yes, they have. And the short negative answer is no, they have not. Again, the first word in the question is have, and this is the main short answer. Yes, they have. No, they have not. So this is very simple to follow. The next situation is asking about ability. Can he speak Spanish? Now, the can is the first word from the question. The complete answer is yes, he can speak Spanish. Or the negative answer is no, he cannot speak Spanish. The short answer is yes, he can. And the negative short answer is no, he can not. The first word in the question is can, and this is the main word in the short answer. You can practice with some questions like, did you go to the park yesterday? Is he happy? Will they be here soon? Have you ever been to Italy? Can you swim? The hint is the first word from the question is the main answer, both in positive and negative answers. Give it a try. If you cannot understand the answers, you can ask in comments. Short answers are a great way to make your English sound more fluent and natural. Keep practicing and you will master them in no time.